So as you know, in our playlist, we are creating a playlist of streaming website. Okay, so as you can see on the screen now, we have created various videos, and in today's video I'm going to tell you like how you can access the website. Okay, so currently this is running in local server, and today I will tell you how you can access this website in your mobile phone, or in your browser, or in a laptop, or any desktop. Okay, so how you can do this, and how you can continue watching here. Okay, if I show you a demo while playing a single video. Okay, so I will come here, and this will like this is loading taking time because it's on local server. Okay, so if I show you in my code, so you can see currently here it's compiling my home page. Okay, once my compilation is done, I will be able to access my home page, or means whatever the movie I am trying to access. Okay, cool. Till then it's compiling. What I will do, I want to show you one thing. Okay, so this is a like Play Store application. Okay, this is an application of a Play Store that I have built it. Okay, it's a kind of social media application, and on this application I am going to tell you on like which website you can access this project. Okay, so as you know, like I want to clear here, I want to clear here, guys. I will not tell you exactly what like openly I will not speak. You need to understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so see, as you know, these websites are not good to show on internet, so there are like some secret ways we can show. So how I will show you and how you can access this. So there are different ways, like, and the way I will approach is I will provide you the URLs. Okay, I will provide you the URLs, and this is an application like I have built it. Okay, currently it's not live on Play Store. We are working on it. If you need access to this early access, so what you can do, you can just directly DM me on Instagram. Okay, so if I show you my Instagram, so let it load till then. So see, guys, what will be there. Okay, so this is my profile, by the way. Okay, this is my profile, and in my status now, in my status I will add the URL of the website, whatever you are trying to, like, wherever I will host this. I will daily, by the way, daily I will change the URL. So you need to come daily to this app, and you need to check the URL where exactly today this live website is working. Okay, cool. So if you need access, just what you need to do, just to directly message me, and just to say like I want access. Okay, so what I will do, I will give you an access to this application, and you can install this app in your system, and you can start exploring the app, and also you can watch their favorite things what you want. Okay, cool, perfect, guys. So I think that it is a small information that I want to give you in this video, and hope you are clear. And I know I have not spoken openly everything here, but try to understand. Okay, so thank you, guys. You can ask me on Instagram, and thank you. Okay, bye.